Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, winter package, panorama sunroof, speed control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.